Hi guys, it's Marty here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to add Google Analytics on WordPress. This way we can track what's working well on our site and which content could maybe do with some improvements. Google Analytics will allow us to track different things like who's visiting our website, what days and times are most popular among our visitors, how people are finding our site, what they're doing once they get there, and a bunch of other stuff. This type of information can be extremely helpful when trying to create and run a successful website or blog. Plus, the information we get is coming directly from Google themselves, so the numbers and stats we see when using Google Analytics are reliable. So if you're ready to get started, this is how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress in a couple of minutes. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is just open up our internet browser and go to google.com/analytics. Then we can click Start for free in the top right and sign in using our normal Google account. Once we're logged in, we just want to click Sign Up on the right hand side. And then here we're going to enter some information for the website or blog that we're wanting to track. So for account name, we can put whatever we like, and I'm just going to put main account. Then in the next box, we need to put in our website name. Then we can enter our website URL. Then we just want to select an industry category using this drop-down list. And as mine's just a demo site, I'm going to select Other. Then the last thing here is set up our time zone. This is pretty important, so make sure you do this. And for me, it's the United Kingdom GMT. Once we've entered our information, we just need to scroll down to the bottom and click Get Tracking ID. Then to agree to Google's terms, we just need to select our country from this drop-down list, check this box to agree to the terms, scroll down to the bottom, check this other box and click I accept. It's then going to give us our Google Tracking ID, which is what we're going to use to link Google Analytics to our WordPress site. The quickest and easiest way to do this is by installing a free plugin. So we just want to open up our WordPress site in a new tab, hover over plugins in our left dashboard menu, and then click Add New. Then using the search bar in the top right, we're just going to search for the plugin Insert Headers and Footers. Then we're going to install and activate the one by WP Beginner. Once the plugin's been activated, we can hover over Settings in our left dashboard menu and click Insert Headers and Footers. So this plugin basically allows us to add code to our WordPress site without us needing to go anywhere near the WordPress files, which can be quite dangerous if we don't know exactly what we're doing. So now we just need to head back over to Google Analytics, and we're going to copy the code that's in this box. Highlight all of it, right click and copy. Then we can head back over to our WordPress site, and we're going to paste our tracking code into the first box labeled Scripts in Header. Now if we click Save at the bottom, we can head back over to Google Analytics to double check that it worked. So to make sure everything's set up correctly, we can click here where it says Send Test Traffic. That's going to open up our website or blog in a new window, and hopefully we also get this message above it that says 1 active user right now. If we see this, it means everything's set up correctly. We can close this window, and at this point we can move on to tracking our results. To do this, we just need to click the little home icon on the left, and that's going to bring us to our main Google Analytics. Now, we're not going to see anything here right away, but over the next few days and weeks, we'll see different information start to appear about our site. So just check back in a little while, and hopefully you'll notice some of your content is performing better in the searches than you maybe thought. And that's how to add Google Analytics on WordPress in a matter of minutes. If you'd like me to create a part 2 of this video covering how to track different conversions and specific content, please leave a comment saying #part2 underneath this video, and if 30 people or more comment this, I'll get working on it right away. So I really hope you found this video helpful, And if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials and videos published every week. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.